Unfortunately my windscreen washers are no longer working, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to have a good look at replacing the washer pump on this Volvo V70 Mark III on the P3 chassis. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove the wheel so we can access in here a lot better and have a good look around. So at first glance we've got these Torx, 4 of, and there's one there actually escaping my attention, 5, and then a couple of 10mm plastic nuts that removes half the wheel liner. So here's the view with the liner removed. I've just tucked it back there behind the brake pipe and you can see the level sensor there. So what I've done, I've just wiggled this trim off. You can see the clips. I just went gingerly round, didn't break a single clip. And then the fog light there was secured in with that T25 Torx, and now we can see the windscreen washer pump. And I believe if you want to remove it, there is a Torx there, another couple there and there, so that would enable us to totally remove this washer bottle. So after a bit of trial and error, we undid a Torx screw there and another one there, and now I have got pretty good access to the pump. So if this vehicle's anything like its predecessor, we should just give this a wiggle and the floodgates of washer fluid should open. You can see they're coming. Oh, it's in tight, and there's a little clip up there. See, it's clipped in. And a good bit of leverage sorted it. And we'll just wait for that shower to subside. So that connected to quite a bit of force to get back on for some reason, and I did push it down to the click. I think there's just a little seal in there what makes it difficult. And that's on as far as it can go. So the next thing we're going to do is swap the pipes over in order. So exactly the same. So we've liberated the hoses. We just gave them a little bit of a twist to free them off as they were quite stuck on. So it is in fact a game of 2 seals. This is what you get with the replacement washer pump, and this one has got a filter on it, and this is what Volvo give you, so I think I'll clean that up and put that back in. Whilst I was washing this out, I seized the opportunity to flush the full tank. Prior to refitting, now would be a good time to check. Well, after a little bit of reassembly, maybe I could have took less things apart, but I don't really care because it's finished now. And a bit of priming, the washers came to life in beautiful fashion. Many thanks for watching, and why not subscribe to learn of more low cost repair solutions.